So this is my animation assignment on facial animation using delta blend shapes. So the first part of the assignment was to implement a vertex picker. So to illustrate this, I can click on any point on the model, and the coordinates of the nearest vertex to where I've clicked are displayed here in the tweak bar on the top left corner. A green dot appears at the currently selected vertex. If I select a new vertex, that green dot will go red, and the currently selected vertex will now be this green one here. And again, the coordinates for the vertex I've updated here in the tweak bar. I can keep doing this. For example, select a new one here. So I have the two old red vertices that I've selected and the current green one. So the next requirement for the assignment was to implement an interface for allowing the user to update the blend shape weights, and as these are updated, the facial expression should also update. So we can see here the tweak bar has a variable for each of the different blend shape models that we've uploaded, so we can edit these in a few different ways. So for example, we can edit them by clicking on the plus or minus, so we can see this mouth changing here. We can also change them by just using the keyboard and entering in a new value. So we'll half close the right eye now. We can also change them using this sort of slider. The tweak bar allows us to click and slide. You see the mouth opening and closing as I change this. Yes, that's the interface for changing the weights, so we can change and play. So we can also update the facial expression by creating vertex manipulators and dragging them. So for example, if I want to close the left eye, I can click, create a vertex manipulator and drag the eye shut like this. Similarly, I'll close the right eye now. Also, so previously manipulated vertices act as constraints for future movement, so those vertices can no longer move. So for example, if I want to open the mouth and try and keep it more controlled, I'll constrain here. I'll click here, and then I'll drag the mouth open like this. So I say, so the four red dots here act as constraints. Those vertices can't be moved at all, whereas the green active manipulator can be dragged. As you move a manipulator, the required blend shape weights are calculated and the facial expression is updated accordingly. So the final requirement for the assignment was to implement an animation playback. So we were given a text file defining the weights to be used for each frame. So what I did was I set up an input stream. This input stream reads in the weights for the first frame. Then it updates the model vertices using these blend shape weights, and then it renders the updated facial expression. Then it repeats this process, reading in the weights for the next frame, and so on. So I'll press the playback, the button now to play the animation playback. As the facial expressions are updating, you'll notice the blend shape weights are also updating in the tweak bar in the top left corner. So this was the final requirement for the assignment. So thanks for watching.